Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Today I'm going to show you how to download a font from Creative Fabrica and use it either in your Cricut machine or in your Silhouette machine. So here I found one that I'm going to be using today in my Patreon classes, and I'm just going to download it, so if anyone needs a refresher on how to do this, they can come and look at this video. So all you do is say download. And I'm using a Windows machine, so what it's going to do is going to come right down here to be downloaded in the lower left hand corner. I'll double click on that, and that opens this zip file. When that zip file is open, I need to come right up here to where it says extract all, because I cannot use it yet. So I have to say extract all. I always have this checked to show the extracted files when complete. So I'll just say extract. There they are. And now I'll double click on this to open it. Notice it comes up and it shows me, what it's going to look like. So all I have to do is come up here to install. And it's installing the font. Now what you need to know, whether it's for your Cricut machine or for your Silhouette software, you need to make sure that you've closed both of those programs out before you go to try to use this font. Because if you don't do that first, you'll never see the font in your list. But I'm going to open up Silhouette now and you'll see it. Okay, I'm opening up Silhouette. As you can see, it's right here. And by the way, if your Silhouette machine ever, or your software ever closes down when you weren't expecting it to, you can always find your recovered documents right over here on the right hand side. If there's a whole slew of them then, and you don't need to open them from this area right here, I recommend that you discard them. Okay, so now I'm going to be able to go ahead and type in maybe the word summertime. And I'm going to change the font to the one that we just extracted and installed. So I'll come over here, and it should be here. It was called California. These are in alphabetical order. There it is. Whoops, where is it? There it is. And there is this font, and I think it's super cute. I really like it a lot. So I could make it any color I like by coming up here, and I just really think it's a cute handwritten font. So that's how easy it is. Let's open Cricut Design Space and make sure it's there. I'm opening up my Cricut. It might have to download some updates because I haven't had it open for a few days. Okay, there's my text now. So I'll just type in again, summertime. And I'm going to change this font to California. And I could search right here for it. California. And there it is. And click on it. And there it has changed to the summertime with the California font. So that's how easy it is to download and install fonts that you can use in both softwares. Thanks for joining me. I'll see y'all again soon. I have lots of fun things coming up this week, so make sure you're subscribed. And I appreciate it if you're going to purchase something, if you use my links down below. It does give me a teeny tiny commission, and I really appreciate it. So thanks again. See you soon. Bye.